Hello, today I am going to share with you how I lost 18 kg. I was 92 and now I am 74, and that too without exercise. I'll recommend you, if you are doing exercise, that will be very good along with the diet. Will you will lose the weight more faster. But I didn't follow that. um, and I started my journey around 2020 January. Before that, I was like some 92. I think, yeah, around December I started the journey very casually, but like some little bit modification. With that, from I think from 92 I became 88, but from January I was consciously I started. So I think in from January 1st, and in February first week everybody was telling what you did, you lost so much weight. So that time I became 82, and after that it was then again some 2 kgs I lost, and till June, yeah, till June it was 80 kg. Then again in June I started this water therapy, some 3 4 cycles. I think you people are aware of that. If not, you can search in any other videos, YouTube video, because I also got to know about this from YouTube video only. So what they do for 3 days, no need to take anything, only water. So your fat will be burnt, and your weight loss will be faster. So with that I lost 6 kg. So I became 74. So over the period, if you see, whenever I've started this weight loss, it was like drastic weight loss. So I believe if these things what I'm going to tell you, you follow, then your weight loss will be faster. And in between, yeah, definitely I have taken different kind of foods also. It's nothing very hard fast. I have followed strict diet, but what I follow strictly is I avoid carbohydrate on regular basis at home. Then I don't take sugar, and I avoid oil. These three things are the culprit: uh, oil, sugar, and carbohydrate. But for everybody, it's not possible to completely cut off carbohydrates. So yeah, little bit of carbohydrate you can add. So what I did, in January, when I started weight loss journey, okay, see, for me the most important two things are your mindset and buying a weighing machine. Many people ask me about my weight loss journey, but then when they listen, they told I can't do. If from starting itself somebody tells I can't do, then how this is possible? At least give a trial. If after that somebody is not able to do, then yeah, that is different. But mindset is very important to lose weight. Like for any work, mindset is important. Like that for a weight loss journey also. Second important thing is I bought a weighing machine, and you have to measure weight daily. See, if somebody is weighing more, then she will be motivated. I have to lose weight, and if she has improved some, even if some 100 gram weight has lost, then she will be again motivated. I have lost this much. I'll try more. So buying a weighing machine is very important. And third more important thing about weighing machine is there, when you have to maintain a constant weight, this is very important. Daily you will maintain. So if at all you are gaining little bit, then you will be again alerted. So you will be in control. That's why buy a weighing machine. And I'm just going to tell you how what I did in January. So I'll be eating salads. Salads made up of simple things: cucumber, raw paneer, and peanuts, roasted peanuts, curd, chaat masala, salt. On and off some peas I'll be adding. So those you can take, and you can add some beans, carrot, boiled beans and carrot, so that you can do any salad. And sometimes I used to take the saag. I'll be preparing without oil: saag, potato, then peanuts, and some masalas, salt. That's all. So this, whenever I used to take these things, I used to feel filled. So I was never feeling like that I can't work. I was energetic, and whenever I felt hungry, I used to take some peanuts, some kaju, like that. So that's why, like these salads and this saag, I used to take twice a day. So with that, I lost around uh, 6 kg fast. Then gradually also another 2 kg I lost. And in June, as I already told, I did some water therapy. With that, from 80 I became 74, and that too over I think a span of 15 days. Yeah. Then my weight loss journey is still continuing, because I'm aiming to lose 10 kg more. I'll be updating you. And yeah, now you can see, because over in between, my weight loss journey was intermittent, and yeah, I follow ISKCON. So whenever I used to go to temple, that time I used to eat this proper rice, dal, whatever cooked. So, what you can see, it was like intermittent, sometimes drastic weight loss and maintain like that. So you can follow that. See, I'm not telling this is ideal weight loss. Definitely, this may not be. But what worked for me, I am telling you. But nowadays, I have, like as I told you, I have planned to lose 10 more kg. So nowadays, I am maintaining more healthy diet, eating salads, avoiding oil, same things. But now I'm more vigilant, and unnecessary spices all I'm avoiding. I'll be updating you more, and thanks a lot.